Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the meaning of fractions. Okay, a lot of this lesson will be a review from things that you've seen last year, the year before. But this is just to refresh your memory before we start into adding, subtracting fractions, multiplying, and dividing fractions. So to start off with the meaning of fractions, we're just going to go over what a fraction is. Okay, so I have listed this fraction here, 3/4. Okay. The top number in a fraction is always called the numerator. The numerator shows how many parts you have. The bottom number is the denominator, and it shows how many equal parts the item is divided into. So for example, let's say you and a friend ordered a pizza. It came with 8 slices of pizza. You ate 3 out of the 8 slices, so you would have 5 out of the 8 slices left. Okay? Um, we're going to talk about how fractions that are grouped as individual and as part of a set, and we're also going to talk about how you can determine fractions on a number line. Okay, so first of all, over here we have our circle counters. Okay, we have a total of how many counters? 6. So that would be your denominator because that is the total amount that we're dividing into. Okay, and then your numerator shows how many parts you have. So how many do we have shaded in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction that this would represent would be 5/6. Okay, moving on to a number line. Okay, we have a number line here that runs from 0 to 1. Okay, so in order to find out what our total part is between 0 and 1, we count the spaces in between 0 and 1 on the number line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spaces in between 0 and 1. So that's how much our number line is split into. So 10 is going to be our denominator. And then we find out where our point is, count over on the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Double check. Ready? So 7 out of 10 because we are on the 7th part of the 10th space on the number line. Finally, fractions as part of a set. You can do these 2 different ways. They reduce to the same thing every time. So let's first talk about parts of a set. So if you look, we have how many sets of items here? 4. Okay, and now how many total sets are filled in? 2. 2/4. And we know 2/4 reduces to 1/2. Now, if we're talking about individual items in the parts of this set, we count how many individual items we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if there's 4 of them, 5 times 4 would give you 20 as your denominator. And then you would count the individual pieces that are colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10/20ths, which also reduces to 1/2. Okay? Now, in your seesaw lesson today, after you're done watching the video, there's going to be several of these problems there for you. If you have any questions, remember to please jump on to the live Google Meet from 10:30 to 11:30 or 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock if you have any questions with your math work. Okay, thanks guys.